So when we're talking about SRM, it is inherently a global aspect because it was going to impact every single living being on this planet, and also the abiotic processes and the ecosystem which is sustaining them. So that is why when we're talking about SRM, then the global governance and the geopolitics comes into play. And we can see that, the colonial power dynamics which has existed is present even today, and that is something which could jeopardize the future of SRM, the representation, the accountability aspects of the governance model of SRM, because that is an area where every country, every region, and every key stakeholder, especially future generations, would need to be, it is essential to have an equal voice so that attention is being given on all aspects, and also the different thematic areas which is highlighted also in the previous panel, when we have different aspects like food, sustainable consumption and production, how it is going to impact agriculture. It impacts all the dynamics of the global geopolitics, as well as the different industries. So that is why it is essential to ensure transparency and the accountability aspects, because it is very likely that the present power dynamics, the inequalities will come into play even when we're having the conversation on SRM. And that is very dangerous, because that is something which can lead to an unfair, and that can basically not lead to improper and unjust research. And there are speculations about SRM being used in different forms, SRM being used in forms. So that is why it is important to ensure accountability and that everyone has an equal say.